How to fix black and white screen on Android? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to restore the normal screen colors in just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Next, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Now tap Visibility Enhancements. Scroll down and check if color adjustment or color filter or color correction is turned on. If it is, simply turn it off. Also, make sure color inversion is turned off, as this can also change the appearance of your screen. If your phone is still in black and white, go back and check whether Grayscale or any accessibility shortcut is enabled. If you find one, disable it to prevent it from turning on accidentally. That's it. Your Android screen should now display its normal colors again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.